Hey, welcome to Abs in the Kitchen. So today I'm gonna give you 2 tips, and one was requested by you guys. Okay, I got this at Costco. It's organic, PB Fit peanut butter powder. It's actually pretty great. So sometimes when you're reading the ingredients or your nutritional facts, sometimes it's hard to bring out the correct serving size. Now, remember, in order to lose weight, we need to be in a calorie deficit. So if you're not losing weight, you might be calculating things wrong. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is grab a scale, okay? So for this Greek yogurt, the serving size is for 2/3 of a cup or 170 grams. Well, if you grab your scale, turn it on, zero it out. Now you're gonna scoop in 170 grams if that's the serving size that you need. For 2 tablespoons or 60 grams, it's 70 calories. What you're gonna do is just you're gonna mix this up really well. I'm gonna add a little bit of some chocolate sauce. So there mine is. I'm gonna put this in the freezer or the fridge, let it get nice and chilled, and then I'm gonna eat it later. All right, give this one a shot. Until next time.